Hey guys, this is OSP. I'm going to be teaching you how to make a calculator, animated calculator. A calculator that looks like this. See, calculator that the background changes. Yeah, something like nice like this. Yeah, it's working to get 12 plus 3 give the answer 15, and you can also clear to get 6 minus 3. It is 3 times 9, obviously is 27, and just having a decimal on it and the rest. So we are going to see how can we pass through this all together. How can we make animated calculator like this, calculator that is so classic, as if it is having parts on there. So let us see how we can make it at once, calculator like this. So I'm taking straight to the corner. Yeah, I'm going to just leave this, open up a new project. Now if you told you need to do Visual Basic, if you're new to Visual Basic, please just come in here. I'm going to just open up a new one, just going to call files, go to new project, click there, go to file, new project. Now make sure you select what known as Visual Basic. So I'm in Visual Basic here. Come and select Windows because I'm making Windows application. I'm just going to call this one Calic 1. I'm just going to call it Calic 1, and it's going to be inside Calic. So that's my locations in Calic 1. In the location is called Visual Basic, Visual Tutorials, Calculator. So that's where I'm saving my projects. So just come here and click save. Now this is what we have at the moment. We are going to try to make the very program like the other one we had, or the very one I've just shown you of recent here. So let's see how can we make all that together at once. So I'm going to first increase this one size to be like this, so that we can just add our form at once. So you cap your properties. Now this side properties is the one which helps you to modify the name and the text box. Now the name, we use the name most cases in the coding environment, and the text is the one you will see it here, because this one you just pick a button, but you have to change the name of the button, you have to go to the property and then you change. And if you want to utilize the name, if you want to utilize the button, if I told you I picked the button here, if you want to utilize it in the coding environment, you have to come to the property of that button and change the name. Also check that name that the button is having is the one you utilize in the code environment. So let us see how can we actually make the other very calculator that I've shown you guys, something that will resemble like that. So I'll just come straight away and I pick a text box, drop it there. So I'm just going to increase the size so that the size takes the width of my form. So I come in here, right click, I just come here and I put the 0. I'm not going to waste much time. The 0, I'm just on the text of it, and up of it I'm going to change that color. I'm going to change straight away to the color that was present there, and the color there was yellow, green yellow, something like that. And then you can also increase the font size to something like this, bold, font size bold, make it maybe 28, make it 26, like that. Now make sure that this text is also on the left, is on the right, not in the left. To do that one, you go to where they say text align, come on text align, change that one from right to left to right, like that. So far we are done with this. Now let us also do this at the same time and finalize it. Click on it, on our text box, come here down and change the name. The name is called text box 1. You can leave this one. I repeat, this one is one which I'll be using on the process of making what known as codes that will generate for us the calculator. Now to do something like that, please don't forget. Okay, let me change it. Allow me change it for you guys so that you don't mess up. So I'm just going to call it YouTube. I'm just calling it YouTube. Now that one is going to be the name of the text. So it's going to be the name of the text box. So I'm calling it YouTube. And let us also change this form here. Form 1. Change this form 1 here. Just click any part of the form outside here. Just come and change the. Don't change the name. Just change the text. And you can call it. Let us just call it OSP. Let us just call it OSP. Animated calc. Making this, let us also try to change this background here. Background of this golden. Just pick the color from where you use the other one, so I don't waste much time. Wow, the color is this one, so the background color is this. So you can just pick there, copy it, so that I can just paste it to this side, so that you make the very same thing. So this background color, just instead of putting control, just press that and paste it there. And trust me, that's the background color I had the other side. And I'm also now going to put the button. I'm going to put our buttons here. So to put the buttons here, just come in and click on button, drag the button there, and size it, the size you would wish to use. I would like to use the size like that. So come and press it there. I'm just going to change this name here also, so that I don't again waste a lot of time. So I'm going to first of all change this font. I'm going to increase that font to, I'm increasing that font to 24, so that the font looks like that. And then also I come and move that text, so that now I'm going to change the text to be, I'm going to start from 7. I'm going to start it from 7. Give this what known as division. This one I give it multiplication. This one I give addition, and then this is subtraction. Now this word so far we have